All right. We are approaching the off season for most in the power washing industry, and I'm going to share some ideas with you that you can do to keep your business going and look in other markets to get more work so you don't have such a slowdown in the off season. And at the very end of the video, I'm going to share what I've been using for several years, and it's a secret passcodes, more of a life hack than anything. But stay tuned to the end and I'll share that with you. Walking through the warehouse this morning around 7 a.m. Got here at 6, but that's about what time it is now. Saw this cool looking truck, man. Look at that. That is a brand new Dodge truck. Looking pretty. It's gonna look even prettier with that brand new Wolverine on it. That's an 8 gallon a minute machine. Those are pretty phenomenal in my opinion. All stainless steel, 8 gallon a minute, sits on a really small footprint. Main reason we designed it like that is, as a mobile power washing contractors, space on your unit is super important. How you take advantage of that space to keep it as small a footprint as possible is a priority. So 2 foot, actually it's about more like 27 inches wide because the pump sticks out there a little bit. Fill the gas tank and the diesel tank does the same. So anyway, like 27 by 48, great little unit, very reliable. Then we got this Hydrotech wash water recovery unit there. This is a great customer of ours that does a lot of work here locally and out of the area. They cover multiple states. So they do a lot of good work. And then I'm gonna go into the front office here and share a little bit with you about Christmas lights. Christmas lights has really taken off for a lot of power washing contractors that do residential work. And the reason being is because you've got a customer base already that you do residential work and they know you, they trust you. That's super important when you're getting in with customers. So I'll give you a brief overview of what we carry here at Powerwash.com for you. And so here are C9 bulbs. Oh, by the way, we do offer a class. It's a basic course on how to do Christmas lights and how to install, how to get customers and all that. So we got C9 bulbs, you know, there's red, green, we got bright white and warm white. We got the 5mm strands. Those are 4 inches apart. The C9 bulbs come down here. And you see we've got different lengths for spools of zip cord. That's basically the electrical cord that you put on it. And then the ends that go with it, got those here as well to hook them up, and these clips here that you can attach. And I believe, yeah, we do, right here they are. There's your, whoops, those are roof clips, gutter clips, or whatever, however you put them on. And then down here at the end, which in Texas is common, not everywhere does this, but these are little ground stakes that you can take the C9s and clip them around a driveway, to line driveways and sidewalks, to accent the house and the look. So those are Christmas lights. But the other thing you can do in the off season, this really isn't a year-round service. And if you've considered doing this, it's a great opportunity to get into. It's a good business. And that's kitchen exhaust cleaning. And we offer a training course here, Phil Ackland training through Power Wash Academy. And there's no other course in the industry that even compares to what the training we offer here at Power Wash Academy with the Phil Ackland certification course. Look at that. That's a 400-page book packed with information that we teach with this course. And I'm gonna flip real quick just so you can see. We have a class next week, which is full, by the way. We usually try to limit it to 10, but we have a sold out crowd, and it actually opened up and brought in 2 more spots so we could get people taken care of. Can't always accommodate like that, but do the best we can. But it is a great, and it's year round. It doesn't slow down. Once you get into kitchen exhaust cleaning, you do it. But I will say, don't go at kitchen exhaust cleaning haphazardly, because you're gonna regret that you did that. You need to know what you can and can't do when it comes to kitchen exhaust cleaning, because you are offering a service that is reducing the risk of fire, So you're preserving life and property when you clean a kitchen exhaust system, and you have to document things correctly. And if you don't know how to do that, you can get yourself in a lot of trouble. And eventually you will. You end up in a lawsuit or something to that effect. So I highly recommend, if you're gonna do it, get into the course. Now, for the secret little life hack regarding passwords. I like it a lot. So anyway, I kind of showed it to you, but what I like to do is, as I just, passwords can be hard to remember and they can be frustrating. And if you're working with good software or have a company that requires you to change passwords and stuff a lot, like credit card companies, like we do with Microsoft 360 Office, it makes us do that here at work. If they have good security measures, they require you to change your passwords. And any credit card company is going to do that. And a lot of other services do the same thing. So this is a little life hack trick that I came up with, and secret passwords, right? So I'm using this to help me keep my mind mentally focused on the things or where I want to be in my life at that time. And it changes from time to time. So the password changes, and the way I create that password is like a daily reminder. Like if I'm logging into my computer every day, it's a daily reminder of where I want to put my focus. So let me show you real quick how this works. So say for instance, I need to really get some focus on sales and go after sales and strive to grow the sales around the company. So first off, the word is focus on sales, or that's the phrase. Come down here, and we're going to start off with a capital F. Put a 0 for the O, a C, a U for the U, and then a $ for the S, a capital O, and N for on. Pretty straightforward on that one. And then here with sales, A is going to be a 4, the L is going to be a 1, and a 3 represents the E, and then a $ there for the S. And for one more example, family time. Hey, when you're an entrepreneur, it's easy to lose your focus on the important things, especially when it comes to family. So here we go. With family, we got the capital F, a 4, a M, a exclamation point for the I, L-Y, capital T, a 1 for the I, M, and a 3. So there you go. There you have it. Stay tuned for more videos, and take care, and don't forget to give us a like. Talk to you next time.